Okay, uh, so this is the trade I took, which is in GBP and ZD. Actually, it's a scale which is I'm not a big fan of. But yeah, I had a little target in my mind, and I actually booked somewhere around this. Let me show you. I I actually booked somewhere around this. I will tell you why. Okay, so first of all, it will go to weekly. Okay, this is how weekly looks. We are completely bullish in weekly. Previous two candles are kind of a doji, and yep, but still, I'm not saying that it can directly fall, right? People are expecting kind of a double top, but yeah, we are not looking for this big targets, right? So just for trends, we are bullish in weekly. Let's go to daily. Okay, this is my high, this is my low. We are bullish. Okay, after this high, we have not created any kind of high. We have created a low. After this low, this is a low. So in daily, yep, we can say nothing to see much more. But yeah, the trend is bullish, right? This was a zone, price tapped it, and it's coming back with a little bit of buy side volume, right? So in daily, there's nothing much more, but yep, it's bullish daily. Let's go to 4 hour. In 4 hour, okay, 4 hour, we created a head and shoulder here. Downside move of that head and shoulder, came back, avoided, avoided, avoided. Okay, what happened last week? We have closed somewhere around this. In this morning, we have came down. I've got this area here. You can say this. The price has tapped this area more than three times, like one, two, kind of three, four, five, six, seven, eight. You will get clear in 1 hour more on this area of interest. But yeah, this is the area of interest of 4 hour, which is a pretty good area. We are currently bearish in 4 hour until and unless we are breaking this high. We are currently bearish in 4 hour, but still I took buy. Let me explain why. So sometimes I use fib as well as I said earlier. After applying fib, this was my 0.61 area, which is good for me. Price was rejecting from the same area. Okay, let me go to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour was also an kind of a bearish, but as I said, I was just looking for a scalp here. Let's see how price reacted. Okay, after this high, we have not created any kind of higher than this. We are continuously creating lows, but this is the area where I have seen multiple times of big rejections, right? Rejections. Right now as well, I'm looking for a big rejection. Okay, we are bullish in daily, we are bullish in weekly. High the time frame get the results, right? As we know, 4 hour bearish, 1 hour bearish. I'm looking for 1 hour to shift its trend to the bullish side and waiting for 4 hour to shift its bullish side after this break of this structure, right? So let's see. This is a counter trend trade, you can say, on low time frames. Okay, why did I took this trade? Uh, we have created a low. After that, no loads. When it came back, this was a low kind of a, but I'm looking for lows below the structure, and this was a structural behavior right now the market is creating. Let me explain what it is. If we go to 30 minute, what happened? Um, this is where the previous week closed. So on Monday, market open, kind of consolidated, given a bearish move, stopped on my area of interest, which has been tested many times before this, uh, kind of rejected from this area. Let me explain one thing. If there is a support, like this is a support, as we know, sellers came by with a full volume, but they were not able to break this support. And instead of that, they were losing their volume, like big candle. And when they are at support, there are no big candles of sell side as well. So they are losing their volume. That's what I was looking for to take a buy, a counter trend, you can say. But why did not I entered here for a buy side? I was looking for a retest or a retracement of this buy move to take a buy side trade, right? So let me go to 15 minutes. As I said, I was looking for rejection from the downside, which I got here. I got here as well. Let me go to 15 minute. Why I took this trade again. Uh, Again, I've used my fib just for more confirmations. Okay, this was it, right? Okay. After this big rejection, price has not broken below 0.61, closed above it, and that's the reason I took this buy. Let me go to 5 minute. Yep. Bull side candle. After this candle, I took buy multiple rejections from the downside. This was my low. We have created a head and shoulder. This was its move, came back. This was the neckline. We are rejecting downside from one, two, three, four more. That's the surety of it to take this buy trade. But yes, I was not looking for a big target. Yep. If it was a normal day, I would look for this target, kind of this target. But I, actually, I had some uh, target in my mind, which I got just right here, and I closed my trade at 1 to 1, kind of 1 to 1. So why this area as well? Let me explain. This was the area where price has rejected today. I'm not talking about the previous week. In actually, when I do scale, I look for today's structure more importantly. So this was a structure rejected multiple times, and it is rejecting right now as well. So I think this was a great closing from my side as well. But yeah, I do think that this may go like this. But yeah, I'm not in this trade right now. But yeah, that was all from this trade. Hope you enjoyed. Actually, this rejection gives me a lot of hope to take this trade, right? So this is the pure price action, what you have to look for. Like this is no SNC or ICT. Actually, I don't know about that, but I don't use that. Price action is something that which shows you how the price is acting, what's the behavior structure. So this was the behavior of the price near my support. So that's why I took this trade, the upside. So yeah, but still, I will suggest I'm not a scalper, and I would not suggest you to scalp because I don't know it takes a lot of experience. Okay, so yeah, but one thing for sure, I'm looking for buy above this zone. This is the trend line, right? This is a trend line. I'm looking for buy above this, which is like daily we will be bullish. We'll be bullish in weekly. We'll be bullish in 4 hour. We'll bullish in hourly structures. Then this is a good trade idea to plan from here.